Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone will be fine and happy. So in today's video we will talk about the implicit function, how to find the derivative of implicit function. But first let me tell you what is implicit function. Implicit function when y is not explicitly given as a function of x. Solving explicitly for y in term of x may be difficult or maybe impossible. We have two examples for implicit function x square plus y square equal to 1 and e power x plus y equal to x minus y cube. We will try to find the derivative of these two examples. So let's start with the x square plus y square equal to 1. And after that, we will find the derivative of e power x plus y equal to x minus y cube. So first we will solve the first example, that is x square plus y square equal to 1. So we need to find the dy by dx. This is the question, and we are going to use the function that is implicit function x square plus y square equal to 1. First of all, we will find the derivative or apply the derivative on both sides with respect to x, that is d by dx x square plus y square, and also we will apply the derivative on another side. So there is only 1, so we will apply the derivative on 1. Now this is the plus between the x square plus y square, so the sum formula will apply here. That is simply apply the derivative on every element. So now the derivative of x square, that is bring the power down and subtract 1 from the power. So it will be 2x, because 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then the derivative of y square, that will be 2y, but here we have the dy by dx because we are finding the derivative with respect to x, and the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. So now we need to separate the dy by dx at one side and the other elements on another side, because the question is we need to find the dy by dx. So I'm leaving the 2y 2y into dy by dx at the left hand side, and taking the 2x on another side. So here it is positive 2x. When it is go to another side, it will be negative 2x, and the 2 and 2 I will cross this. Now I need only the dy by dx, so I'm going to bring the y also on another side. So it will be minus x divided by y. That's it, the final answer. Now we are going to find the derivative of another implicit function, that is e power x plus y equal to x minus y cube. That is an implicit function because we don't have x as a separate and y as a separate. They are given in a mixture. So first we will apply the derivative on both sides. So d by dx to e power x plus y, and d by dx to x minus y cube. The derivative of exponent is always equal to the same, but here we have x plus y as a power, so we will apply the chain rule. So e power x plus y, it will be as it is, and then the derivative of x plus y equal to uh, I will leave it as it is. We will solve this in another part, or you can apply just the derivative on every element. Here we will apply the subtract rule. So e power x plus y into the derivative of x is equal to 1 plus the derivative of y is dy by dx because it is with respect to x. And on another side, the derivative of x is equal to 1 minus 3y square dy by dx. So now we will multiply e power x plus y to the bracket. So it will be become e power x plus y multiplied by 1. So that is e power x plus y plus e power x plus y dy by dx equal to 1 minus 3y square dy by dx. So now the question is you have to find the dy by dx. So we will bring the dy by dx at one side and the other elements on the another side. So I will leave the e power x plus y dy by dx and bring the minus 3y square dy by dx to another side. So here it is negative, so it will become positive on another side. And I will take the e power x plus y on another side. So here it is positive, so it will become the negative 1. So it will become 1 minus e power x plus y. So now I'm going to take dy by dx as a common, and we will have in the bracket e power x plus y plus 3y square equal to 1 minus e power x plus y. So in the question we need only dy by dx, so we don't need the other part. So we will take it to the another side. So the final answer will be 1 minus e power x plus y divided by e power x plus y plus 3y square. So this is the final answer. So I hope you understand what is implicit function and how to find the derivative of implicit function. If you still have any question regarding implicit function and how to find the derivative of specific implicit function, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer. And if you are not the subscriber of the channel, um, do like and share the video and subscribe the channel.